about your experiences र अहिलेको चाहिँ काम बस्नुहुन्छ के गर्नुहुन्छ अनि करेन्टली कहाँ बस्नुहुन्छ होइन अब कहाँ बस्नुहुन्छ त्यसपछि आफ्नो एक्सपिरियन्स कस्तो भयो रिलेसन्स कस्तो लाग्यो होइन एकछिन अलिक शान्त रहनु ल एकछिन ल 1 मिनट
Namaste, Jai Gurudev. I am Mika Tuladar and I'm currently residing in Imadul, but I was away and I was based in UK, Nottingham primarily for quite some time. And I have had like a lot of quiz lately and I've been following YouTube videos, and one fine day I came across Gurudev's video, and honestly I won't lie, initially I was a bit skeptical about it, like what is going on, but then I couldn't stop myself, so I was like watching one after another all of his video, and then yeah, so one day I just decided that I think I want to meet him. And also, like, I have been to several places and taken some sort of trainings on yoga and meditations, but I think maybe it's also a recency effect, but I feel really connected to Gurudev, and I had a very amazing experience today. I have never had such experience. I was always scared while I saw the video where the people just, fell down. I was like really scared. I was really scared even in this morning, but I think I was one of the many who experienced it several times in a day. So I'm really thankful. I'm really grateful for this opportunity, for this experience, and for your energy and blessings. Thank you so much.
Let me ask one question. That have you ever experienced like these things, like a trance state, sucking, vibrations, and something like that? Have you ever experienced before?
No.
Nothing. This is the first experience, the very first brand new experience.
Brand new experience. I've been meditating for some time, but this experience was like, as I told, like I was scared to be even here.
Yeah.
But then I experienced it, so it was nice. It was good. Thank you so much.
But actually, the vast majority of people get feared, get afraid of being hypnotized. And so, how was your experience about that?
I was really scared. Even like I think I made I planned this last night at 9:30, and I was lucky enough to get the spot still. But yeah, I mean, I was really scared. Even this morning, I was very skeptical. A friend was sitting next to me, and I told her like it's not going to happen to me. But I was the one who started crying really loud, and I feel cleansed at the moment. I might be excited and be saying a lot of things at the moment because, at the moment I also have a recency effect and I feel really connected to a lot of people and Gurudev. So, but I really feel glad, and I feel even now when I'm speaking like this, I'm not scared. So I feel pretty good.
Right. This is the most beautiful things. Whatever you have experienced in my trainings, that's awesome. साँच्चै नै तपाईँले राम्रो एक्सपिरियन्स गर्नुभयो. हाम्रो नेपाली श्रोताको लागि आफ्नो नेपालीमा के भनिदिनु भयो भने आई थिङ्क बेटर हुन्छ. छोटो सर्टकटमा त्यसैलाई
एकदम राम्रो एक्सपिरियन्स भयो. सुरुमा अलिक डर लागिरहेको थियो, अनि आफ्नो एउटा पनि बायसेसहरू छ गुरु भनेर सोच्दा पनि, अब युट्युबमा देख्दा पनि सर्टेन कुरा लगाई सर्टेन हाम्रो आफ्नो बायसेसहरू छ, तर स्टेरियोटाइप्सहरू पनि छ. तर साँच्चै कोरमा गएर सोच्ने भने त्यो त एउटा पहिरन मात्र नहो नि होइन, एकैछिनमा चेन्ज गऱ्यो भने. तर हामीमा पनि बायसेस छ. मैले आफूलाई चान्स दिएँ. न्यु इयरको मेरो गिफ्ट मेरो लागि यही नै हो. 2022 एकदम राम्रोसँग सुरुवात भएको जस्तो फिल भइरहेछ. यदि हजुरहरूलाई पनि कुनै कुरा कनेक्सन जस्तो फिल भइरहेछ, लागिरहेछ कि लेट्स एक्सप्लोर समथिङ न्यू भने आई थिङ्क हजुरहरूले यहाँ आउनुपर्छ, सिक्नुपर्छ जस्तो लाग्छ. मलाई चाहिँ कस्तो लाग्छ भने हजुरहरू सबैजनाले यहाँबाट केही न केही चाहिँ प्राप्त गर्नुहुन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ. सबैजनालाई एकदमै शुभ भाव. धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much.